If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: Tools that facilitate recording, organizing, storing and sharing requirements and designs are underscore. Option 1 Requirements, traced. Option 2 Modeling Notation / Standards. Option 3 Requirements Management Tools. Option 4 Modeling Tools. Question: Which of the following is expressed as conditions that increase the likelihood or severity of a negative impact on value? Option 1 Influences. Option 2 Impact. Option 3 Tolerance. Option 4 Risks. Question: Stakeholders usually prioritize their requirements into which one of the following categories? Option 1 High. Option 2 Medium. Option 3 Low. Option 4 Very low. Question: Which of the following prioritization factors considers consequences resulting from not implementing a requirement? Option 1 Benefit. Option 2 Penalty. Option 3 Cost. Option 4 Risk. Question: Business analyst C wants to prioritize requirements based on the highest value that it can provide. Which of the following factors will help C the most? Option 1 Penalty. Option 2 Cost. Option 3 Benefit. Option 4 Risk. Question: Which of the following provides a plan to transition from the current state to the future state? Option 1 Business policies. Option 2 Change strategy. Option 3 Current state description. Option 4 BA performance assessment. Question: Business analyst A has decomposed BA information into components to further examine constraints or assumptions that impact the components. What is A doing? Option 1 Modeling requirements. Option 2 Analyzing requirements. Option 3 Implementing requirements. Option 4 Representing attributes. Question: Which of the following describes how all of the business analysis information for a change relates, including the relationship between various types of information? Option 1 Business analysis information architecture. Option 2 Architectural framework. Option 3 Viewpoints. Option 4 Views. Question: If there are no relationships between requirements that link elements in two different and conflicting ways, then the relationship satisfies which of the following quality criteria? Option 1 Consistent. Option 2 Unambiguous. Option 3 Necessary. Option 4 Defined. Question: A set of conventions that define how requirements will be represented, organized and related is known as? Option 1 Views. Option 2 Viewpoints. Option 3 Architecture. Option 4 Attributes. Question: which of the following stakeholders can participate in specific model requirements tasks? Option 1: only the sponsor and PM. Option 2: only developers and implementation SME. Option 3: only technical architects and PM. Option 4: any stakeholders. Question: which of the following can be used for quality control when verifying requirements and designs? Option 1: data model. Option 2: templates. Option 3: information management approach. Option 4: checklists. Question: which of the following is used to record the meaning of relevant business terms while analyzing requirements? Option 1: glossary. Option 2: scope model. Option 3: state model. Option 4: data dictionary. Question: the main reason for implementing appropriate levels of abstraction is because. Option 1: not all stakeholders find value in the entire set of requirements. Option 2: requirements do not have the necessary attributes. Option 3: requirements have missing components. Option 4: stakeholders don't have an interest. Question: the main reason for implementing appropriate levels of abstraction is because of change. Option 1: roles and permissions matrix. Option 2: organizational modeling. Option 3: business capability analysis. Option 4: decision modeling. Question: what type of knowledge equips a business analyst, BA, with an understanding of market forces, customer segments, services, products, and regulations? Option 1: organizational. Option 2: industry. Option 3: solution. Option 4: methodological. Question: a focus group is a form of which type of research? Option 1: quantitative. Option 2: qualitative. Option 3: statistical. Option 4: theoretical. Question: video conferencing, electronic calendars, and electronic voting are examples of. Option 1: knowledge management tools. Option 2: mapping tools. Option 3: collaboration tools. Option 4: word processing tools. Question: when do the participants start generating ideas during a collaborative game? Option 1: closing step. Option 2: exploration step. Option 3: opening step. Option 4: iteration step. Question: for which part of an initiative is the business analyst, BA, responsible? Option 1: authorizing the project. Option 2: approving solution execution plans. Option 3: defining the solution approach. Option 4: accepting risk mitigation plans. Question: if a business analyst, BA, does not properly identify stakeholders, then the long-term implications are: Option 1, increased costs. Option 2, reduced requirements. Option 3, higher satisfaction. Option 4, decreased risk. Question: who is responsible for identifying the appropriate elicitation communication channels? Option 1, project manager. Option 2, subject matter expert. Option 3, business analyst. Option 4, business sponsor. Question: if inconsistencies arise between different elicitation results, the business analyst, BA, should: Option 1, escalate them to the business sponsor. Option 2, report them to the project manager. Option 3, resolve them through collaboration. Option 4, reconcile them through experience. Question: which of the following is a basis to initially prioritize requirements? Option 1, business benefits. Option 2, market demands. Option 3, organizational policy. Option 4, technological dependency. Question: which action would a business analyst, BA, propose to improve the operation of the business? Option 1, simplify the work people perform. Option 2, outsource the operation team. Option 3, assist in the daily activities. Option 4, shadow the expert staff. Question: what type of requirements describes the needs of those participating in or impacted by business analysis activities? Option 1, solution. Option 2, business. Option 3, stakeholder. Option 4, technical. Question: which type of stakeholder is responsible for initiating the effort to define a business need? Option 1, project manager. Option 2, regulator. Option 3, business analyst. Option 4, sponsor. Question: who is responsible for discovering, synthesizing, and analyzing information within an enterprise? Option 1, project manager. Option 2, business analyst. Option 3, programmer. Option 4, project sponsor. Question: which activity is a business analyst, BA, performing when ensuring that a set of requirements is developed with enough detail to be usable by a particular stakeholder? Option 1, validating requirements. Option 2, verifying requirements. Option 3, eliciting requirements. Option 4, specifying requirements. Question: what is the main purpose of the Euro-approve requirements? Eurotask. Option 1, obtain agreement. Option 2, establish requirements baseline. Option 3, select appropriate techniques. Option 4, assess alternative approaches. Question: which approach aligns with the approval of requirements at the end of a phase? Option 1, adaptive. Option 2, modeling. Option 3, predictive. Option 4, prioritization. Question: when can a change to requirements occur? Option 1, as soon as the testing process has begun. Option 2, at any time during the project life cycle. Option 3, only after requirements have been approved. Option 4, only after the solution has been designed. Question: which of the following activities are performed during the requirements life cycle management phase? Option 1, elicit requirements. Option 2, prioritize designs. Option 3, trace requirements. Option 4, maintain attributes. Question: which techniques should be applied to prioritize requirements? Option 1, risk analysis and management. Option 2, decision modeling and estimation. Option 3, interface analysis and interviews. Option 4, document analysis and vendor assessment. Question: which input is used to prepare for elicitation? Option 1, activity plan. Option 2, business analysis information. Option 3, stakeholder engagement approach. Option 4, change strategy. Question: when validating requirements, assumptions are: Option 1, documented after conducting further analysis. Option 2, based and assessed on previous experience. Option 3, vital to support strategic decisions and goals. Option 4, defined so that associated risk can be managed. Question: the requirements elicitation technique used to iteratively validate the needs of stakeholders that interact with the application is: Option 1, interface analysis. Option 2, observation. Option 3, prototyping. Option 4, reverse engineering. Question: which of the following is an activity that a business analyst, BA, performs to prepare for elicitation? Option 1, assess risk. Option 2, trace requirements. Option 3, secure supporting material. Option 4, analyze performance measures. Question: during the requirements elicitation, the stakeholders request a parallel run. A parallel run means that the new system and the old system will run for a few weeks in parallel. Which type of requirement is this? Option 1 business requirement. Option 2 transition requirement. Option 3 implementation requirement. Option 4 non-functional requirement. Question: a business analyst has broken down the requirements into smaller requirements to see if anything is missing or redundant. What best describes the business analyst and #39's work? Option 1 analysis of requirements. Option 2 modeling of requirements. Option 3 decomposition of requirements. Option 4 verification of requirements. Question: when stakeholders are asked to approve the requirements, which one of the following do they need to look into to ensure completeness of requirements? Option 1 requirements specifications document. Option 2 design document. Option 3 requirements traceability table. Option 4 solution scope. Question: how does early identification of interfaces help a business analyst during the elicitation phase? Option 1 it helps in completing the requirements specifications document. Option 2 it helps in knowing which other stakeholders should be consulted. Option 3 both options are correct. Option 4 only one option is correct. Question: any order will be delivered on the same day provided the order is placed before 11 a.m. What kind of rule is this? Option 1 behavioral rule. Option 2 definitional rule. Option 3 validation rule. Option 4 none of these. Question: which of the following is used to identify the key terms and ideas of importance and define the relationships between them? Option 1 glossary. Option 2 core concepts. Option 3 concept modeling. Option 4 none of these. Question: the use cases have extend and include relationships among them. Which one of them represents a mandatory relationship? Option 1 both of them. Option 2 only extend. Option 3 only include. Option 4 none of them. Question: requirements architecture is intended to demonstrate traceability. Is this statement correct? Option 1 no, it is not correct. Option 2 yes, it is correct. Option 3 it is partially correct. Option 4 it is up to the discretion of the project sponsor. Question: a business analyst is carrying out an analysis of elicitation results and creates a representation of those results with a focus on the solution. What is going to be the output of this activity? Option 1 requirements. Option 2 design. Option 3 context. Option 4 architecture. Question: a business analyst, George, is working on creating a prototype to identify missing and inadequately specified requirements. he is developing a prototype with simple tools to get validation and fill the gaps quickly during the course of the discussion. Which type of prototype is George creating? Option 1 evolutionary. Option 2 throwaway. Option 3 functional. Option 4 usability prototype. Question: what is the purpose of specifying and modeling requirements? Option 1 to define requirements architecture. Option 2 to analyze and refine elicitation results into requirements and designs. Option 3 to establish relationships among requirements. Option 4 to assign requirements to solution components and releases to best achieve the objectives. Question: business analysts also capture information about attributes of the requirements while specifying and modeling requirements. Which of the following is a synonym for attributes? Option 1 dictionary. Option 2 glossary. Option 3 metadata. Option 4 rules. Question: which requirement characteristic is represented by the following? Self-contained and capable of being understood independently of other requirements or designs. Option 1 testable. Option 2 atomic. Option 3 complete. Option 4 consistent. Question: a business analyst is looking to capture the initial domain terms and interrelationships amongst them to organize the business vocabulary needed to consistently and thoroughly communicate the knowledge of a domain. Which of the following models is suitable for this purpose? Option 1 glossary. Option 2 concept model. Option 3 data dictionary. Option 4 scope model. Question: one of the key requirements of a proposed system is to update various associated suppliers, ERP, CRM, and other systems when the warehouse manager updates stock information in the system. What kind of study needs to be done to capture this type of information? Option 1 process analysis. Option 2 interface analysis. Option 3 non-functional requirements analysis. Option 4 business capability analysis. Question: which of the following techniques is used for identifying, analyzing, evaluating areas of uncertainty that could negatively affect value, and then developing, managing ways to deal with them? Option 1 process analysis. Option 2 risk analysis and management. Option 3 business rules analysis. Option 4 document analysis. Question: which of the following is one of the key objectives of defining the requirement architecture in a change initiative? Option 1 create a blueprint for the proposed system. Option 2 specify and model requirements for the sponsors. Option 3 model requirements for the team of implementation SMEs. Option 4 Align, coordinate, and structural requirements into meaningful views for the various stakeholders. Question: a change strategy is an input to define design options for achieving the desired future state. What is the importance of change strategy in formulating the design options? Option 1 Change strategy does not have a significant impact on defining design options and is an optional input. Option 2 Change strategy has an impact as it describes the current state. Option 3 Change strategy describes the approach that will be followed to transition to the future state, which may have some impact on design decisions. Option 4 Change strategy has an impact as it describes the future state. Question: which of the following artifacts refers to the structure of all of the requirements in a change initiative? Option 1 Requirements document. Option 2 Work product. Option 3 Requirements architecture. Option 4 Requirements model. Question: which of the following is a mechanism to convey requirements to stakeholders descriptively and visually for effective communication and better understanding? Option 1 Graph. Option 2 Table. Option 3 Model. Option 4 Map. Question: analysis of requirements involves which of the following? Option 1 Examining each piece of the requirement to check what must stay the same to meet the business need. Option 2 Examining each piece of the requirement to check if any change is required to meet the business need. Option 3 Neither A nor B. Option 4 Both A and B. Question: the system shall generate a batch report and a discrepancy report when a batch is aborted. This requirement was reviewed by a business analyst and was not found to be appropriate to be included in the requirements document. Which of the following is the issue with this requirement? Option 1 The requirement is non-functional in nature. Option 2 The requirement is not coherent. Option 3 The requirement is not testable. Option 4 The requirement is not atomic. Question: the primary reason for developing the requirements package is? Option 1 To communicate requirements to stakeholders. Option 2 Prescribed by Babak. Option 3 It's a good thing to do. Option 4 Requirement packages are not needed. Question: both activity diagrams and flowcharts are used with the technique known as data flow diagrams. Option 1 Document analysis. Option 2 Interface analysis. Option 3 Observation. Option 4 Brainstorming. Question: which attribute describes when a business requirement and #39's relative importance and value to a stakeholder is demonstrated? Option 1 Stability. Option 2 Urgency. Option 3 Complexity. Option 4 Priority. Question: one of the reasons assumptions are identified and defined is to: Option 1, manage associated risks. Option 2, allocate project resources. Option 3, articulate budgetary needs. Option 4, reduce time constraints. Question: a data model that is used by implementation subject matter experts to address concerns such as performance, concurrency, and security, is: Option 1, a conceptual data model. Option 2, a logical data model. Option 3, an enterprise data model. Option 4, a physical data model. Question: a business analyst needs to know the role of stakeholders to: Option 1, process the feedback accurately. Option 2, understand sign-off authority. Option 3, identify risk tolerance levels. Option 4, gain project support. Question: which of the following is not a business analysis information? Option 1, elicitation results. Option 2, change strategy. Option 3, solution options. Option 4, implemented solution. Question: which technique elicits information by viewing performance? Option 1, brainstorming. Option 2, interviews. Option 3, observation. Option 4, prototyping. Question: project managers need a report on project schedule variances in the project management system. This is a requirement provided by: Option 1, regulatory bodies. Option 2, end users. Option 3, domain SMEs. Option 4, sponsor. Question: the type of relationship that solution components have with stakeholder requirements is: Option 1, derive. Option 2, satisfy. Option 3, depend. Option 4, validate. Question: a usable representation of a solution is referred to as: Option 1, requirement. Option 2, design. Option 3, elicitation plan. Option 4, quality assurance plan. Question: the type of relationship that test cases have with solution requirements is: Option 1, derive. Option 2, satisfy. Option 3, depend. Option 4, validate. Question: which of the following defines limits within which decisions must be made? Option 1, business policies. Option 2, change strategy. Option 3, current state description. Option 4, BA performance assessment. Question: requirements management plans contain: Option 1, process of developing solution. Option 2, specific tools, activities, and roles and responsibilities that will be used to manage the requirements. Option 3, selection of solution. Option 4, selection of application architecture. Question: which among the following is not a quality criterion for requirements documents? Option 1 unambiguity. Option 2 structured. Option 3 must be use cases. Option 4 complete. Question: which among the following is not a quality criterion for requirements? Option 1 agreed. Option 2 signed off in a group review. Option 3 ranked. Option 4 traceable. Question: which requirements deal with goals, objectives, and outcomes that describe why a change has been initiated? Option 1 business requirements. Option 2 stakeholder requirements. Option 3 functional requirements. Option 4 non-functional requirements. Question: which among the following techniques can help in estimating? Option 1 metrics and KPIs. Option 2 functional decomposition. Option 3 reviews. Option 4 root cause analysis. Question: which among the following skills expects the BA to explore possible reasons for poor performance? Option 1 conceptual thinking. Option 2 decision making. Option 3 learning. Option 4 problem solving. Question: which of the following group of models is used to analyze business processes? Option 1 activity diagrams, entity relationship diagrams, workflow models. Option 2 activity diagrams, flowcharts, context diagrams. Option 3 sequence diagrams, flowcharts, workflow models. Option 4 activity diagrams, flowcharts, workflow models. Question: which of the following stakeholders will be more focused on the design of the solution? Option 1 project manager. Option 2 implementation SME. Option 3 domain SME. Option 4 sponsor. Question: oral communication may include Option 1 active listening, unemotional, and other nonverbal cues. Option 2 active listening express documented ideas. Option 3 active listening, emotional and other nonverbal cues. Option 4 active listening, verbal assaults. Question: which statement about apprenticing is false? Option 1 apprenticing is an observation technique. Option 2 apprenticing is an individual-orientated technique. Option 3 apprenticing should, if possible, take place in the environment in which the new system will later be deployed. Option 4 further questions are not allowed during apprenticing, as these may influence the observation. Question: the implementation SMEs are not typically responsible for which parts of the solution? Option 1 provides information on technical constraints. Option 2 supplies inputs on the skills needed to run the new solution. Option 3 manage project effort and cost. Option 4 needs to be informed of when and where requirements are allocated. Question: in agile environments, requirements are maintained as Option 1 sprint backlog. Option 2 project backlog. Option 3 release backlog. Option 4 product backlog. Question: which among the following techniques can help in describing the flow of business information? Option 1 data flow diagrams. Option 2 state modeling. Option 3 process model. Option 4 ER diagram. Question: which of the following requirements cannot be overlooked? Option 1 regulatory requirements. Option 2 stakeholder requirements. Option 3 functional requirements. Option 4 exciting requirements. Question: do business analysts use which of the following to organize requirements into structures relevant to different stakeholders? Option 1 requirements architecture. Option 2 design options. Option 3 current state description. Option 4 traceability. Question: sign-off may best occur in all the following ways. Option 1 recorded physically or electronically. Option 2 verbally. Option 3 face-to-face. Option 4 as decided during the planning. Question: an actor in a use case diagram is always a user of the system playing some role in using the software system. Option 1 that's not correct. Option 2 that's correct. Option 3 actors are not users. Option 4 actors don't represent roles. Question: a business analyst has created screen prototypes and is now determining how this screen interacts with other screens. What is he doing? Option 1 he is conducting data analysis. Option 2 he is conducting an interface analysis. Option 3 both of the above. Option 4 none of the above. Question: the verification of requirements is conducted at underscore 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 underscore. Option 1 completion of the requirements phase. Option 2 the customer walkthrough meeting. Option 3 even partial completion of requirements specifications. Option 4 none of the above. Question: which quality feature ensures requirements are represented using common terminology of the audience? Option 1 understandable. Option 2 unambiguous. Option 3 feasible. Option 4 complete. Question: acceptance criteria are expressed in underscore 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 underscore. Option 1 flowchart format. Option 2 testable format. Option 3 use cases format. Option 4 DFD format. Question: what is the best modeling technique to capture system context? Option 1 context diagram. Option 2 state chart diagram. Option 3 data flow diagram. Option 4 sequence diagram. Question: in a sales automation system, every sales transaction created in the system also sends the sales data to FinTops, an existing financial accounting system. What kind of requirements is this? Option 1 functional requirement. Option 2 non-functional requirement. Option 3 interface requirement. Option 4 none of these. Question: which of the following tasks is conducted to ensure that the requirements have been defined correctly and that they are of acceptable quality? Option 1 specify and model requirements. Option 2 verify requirements. Option 3 validate requirements. Option 4 none of these. Question: requirements underscore 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 constitutes a check by the business analyst and key stakeholders to determine that the requirements and designs are ready for validation, and provide the information needed for further work to be performed. Option 1 validation. Option 2 verification. Option 3 testing. Option 4 analysis. Question: requirements architecture is intended to demonstrate traceability. True or false? Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: a business analyst is creating a list of healthcare terms and their meaning for a healthcare domain project. What is he creating? Option 1 concept model. Option 2 glossary. Option 3 definitions. Option 4 knowledge model. Question: where do we capture the requirements metadata? Choose the right option. Option 1 System Requirements Specification, SRS. Option 2 Requirements Traceability Table, RTT. Option 3 Design Document. Choose.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.